Wow, just look at this. So we received a call this morning when the delivery had gotten to the venue that the cake had literally dismantled. The first tier is still perfect, but the bottom tier, and I already know there was a support issue. So we have to quickly put this back together and make sure it gets to the venue just before they start the event. All right. So I've literally turned the cake upside down and we have a crack here. And that's the part that came off the cake. Oh wow, this is a lot of work, a whole lot of work. You can see the bottom base too has literally come off. So thankfully, I will take it as it goes. I'm not really sure what I will do right now, but we'll take it as it goes. All right. So I'm using the cake lifter to prop this up on the cake, and then there we go. So this portion right here needs to be corrected, and then I'll do the same with this as well. I've started to work on the foundation now. Okay, so I've just put some more cake here, and just if I came in here, these were the rods that were in the cake, but we needed to have put a little more than these three, you know. So luckily I'm not here alone. I was able to call one of the staff to meet me here, so she's joining me and we'll see what we can do. But so far so good. It's looking like it's repairable. We don't literally have to bake all over again. We'll do that to the second half of the cake. Wow, this has been quite stressful. Now this has been such a challenge. Oh my goodness, we've had to cut it, literally cover it the other way now. Well, you see what I mean once it's done. Right now my priority is to get the cake to the venue in at least 30 minutes time, so we just have to make do with what we have and trust the process. Trust the process. So I've just placed the elements on it, and right now I will start to paint again. Well, so far it's looking good. I'm happy with how it looks like. So I've pretty much gone around the entire cake to highlight with gold, and this is the final part. Once I'm done with this, I will get on with covering the board, and but this time around we will stack the cake at the venue, not here, because the cake is still quite fragile. All right, you did a good job. Good job. Wow. And that's our cake now, all done. Oh my goodness, I can't remember when last this has happened. Finally, we're all ready and the cake is now in the delivery van. And you will notice I sent an extra 8 inches cake. Yes, I usually do that. And then of course, just in case, because we really distress this cake, it just has to go, you know. So that's Dainty Affairs Bakery Chronicles this Sunday morning. Happy caking, guys.